How many times have you scrolled through social media thinking there's got to be a way to make money online without spending a fortune, without being some marketing expert, without guessing what to do next? Because that was me. I was watching everybody else win, and I kept thinking, what am I missing? Then someone said something to me that changed everything. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need the right system. That one line, that hit me hard. Now, before I go any further, I'm not here to flash cars or pretend this is magic. I'm here simply because I found something simple, something that actually works, and something beginners can start without stress. And honestly, this is one of the easiest online business setups that I've ever seen. Most people think starting a business, it requires thousands of dollars, tons of software, advertising budgets, or complicated funnels. But what if I told you that I started my entire online business for only $7? $7, that's it. And from that tiny $7 decision, which most people spend on fast food, I built something that has already brought in over $9,000 and is still growing every single day. Think about that for a second. Most people say they're stuck, but they won't invest $7 into a real system that gives them the tools, the training, and the blueprint that actually moves them forward. So here's what makes this so powerful. You get access to a full training platform that teaches the stuff people struggle with. How to do affiliate marketing, how to grow on social media, how to create content that attracts the right people, and how to build simple income streams, how to turn your personal Facebook into a lead machine, how to build an email list, and how to turn your social media into real income. You don't need tech skills. You don't need a huge following. You don't need any special knowledge. If you can follow simple steps, you're golden. But this part that shocked me the most is this. You unlock lifetime commissions. Once you're in, that door stays open. No monthly fees just to stay active. No paying over and over again just to keep your spot. $7 for lifetime earning ability. Where else can you start a business like that? Here's something most people won't tell you. People don't fail because they're not capable. They fail because they don't have a roadmap. When you try everything out alone, you get overwhelmed, you get confused, and you get burned out. The system removes all that frustration. It shows you exactly what to do, step by step, so you actually see progress instead of guessing. And the best part, you're not doing this alone. You get to join a community of people who want you to win. People who help. People who support you. People who are building the same thing you are. That makes a huge difference. So here's what I want you to do next. If you're tired of scrolling your life away, if you're ready to start something real, if you want a side hustle that doesn't drain your bank account, go to www.bigsmoney.com, biggzmoney.com. Watch the short breakdown. See how it works. And if you're like me, you'll know right away that this is the simplest starting point that you're going to find online. $7. Lifetime commissions. Step-by-step training. Tools that help you grow. And a community that actually cares about your success. Most people miss opportunities because they overthink. Don't let that $7 be the thing that holds you back. Go to www.bigsmoney.com, biggzmoney.com. Take a look, and if you want help getting started, message me. I got you. Let's build something real.